I am. I'm listening to them while I'm out working all night long.
And that
Um,
as well.
okay. Well, right now I can't deal with that because I'm here talking to you about the fireworks.
And the little guys on there. Here you
All right. Should I chase after that car, or do you want me to keep talking to you about the fireworks?
go. Um,
Columbus Police, Tech 67.
Hi, sir. My name's Carl English, and I'd like to report a noise complaint again for the 13th time tonight.
What address?
South Warden Avenue, Columbus, Ohio, 43204. My phone number is 614. My complaint is the noise is coming from one side to the other of my house. I'm a taxpayer. Yes, I understand they're riding downtown, but what about the rest of the taxpayer people on the burbs, hood or not? And I do not want someone to show up at my house after midnight.
Okay, you said your address was 220 what street?
Yes, on the west side where they arrested all those people selling illegal fireworks at the back of a U-Haul. Hello, that did something. Not.
Okay.
And this is the 17th complaint I'm going to make tonight. 37th complaint this month.
Okay, so it's just people setting off fireworks in the area? And you want to speak to officers?
As long as they're here by midnight, yes, I'll speak to them. If they come after midnight, then don't send them. Hello, they did come at 3 o'clock in the morning 2 weeks ago, and nothing's been done.
So it looks like,
Don't show.
yeah, we already have all that information down, so I'll let them know that you called again.
All right, you'll talk to me in another hour. Thank you.
Columbus Police, Tech 31.
31. I've called this makes the third time, and they're still shooting these damn things off. And I've given my dog Benadryl. It's probably going to kill her. I've had to give her so much, and they're still shooting these damn things off, and I can't get nobody out here to stop them.
Okay, where is it at?
At the right at the corner of Harris and Palmetto.
Okay. Do you want to talk to an officer or anything?
No, because I know they'll retaliate against me.
Okay. Well, since we're out there.
And some of them's coming from right there at Hague and Palmetto.
Okay. We'll send someone out there and see what's going on.
Huh?
We'll send someone out there when we can.
Police Radio, Tech 108.
Hi, can I speak to your supervisor, please?
Hang on just a minute.
Hi, my name's. I first need to ask you, what's your position and your badge number?
Okay, how did you get this phone number?
I called 64545 and asked to speak to the supervisor through the sheriff's office.
Okay. This isn't the sheriff's office. Hold on a second.
I actually don't need the sheriff's office. I need the supervisor of the 6454545.
All right, I need to know one thing. Do you want to? Is this a complaint on somebody in the room?
No, I want a complaint about the fireworks that are going off in my backyard, my front yard.
Okay. What is?
And the last.
I'll have to figure out if I need to handle it or if it needs to go to internal affairs. What's your complaint?
My complaint is all the debris that is falling in my backyard and on my cars and my front lawn. So, my question is, if I dump my trash in someone's front yard, are they going to complain? And what kind of response are they going to get?
I'm sorry, what?
If I dump my trash in someone's front yard or backyard or all over their car, belligerently, what kind of complaint am I going to get?
Well, what do you think
and or
would be?
My complaint is all their firework bullshit and or noise is falling in my front yard and in my backyard and all over my new cars. So I want to file a complaint about all the crap that's falling on my cars. I know I don't want to follow it online.
Are these neighbors that are setting off the fireworks?
Well, yes, they're
Okay.
the people
I'm gonna
in front of me or behind me.
All right, I'm going to write it up, and officers are going to come to your house. What's your address?
0 South Warren Avenue, 43204. And if the officers cannot be here by midnight, then I don't want them to show up. Because this is the 37th time I've complained about this. 37th.
Okay, what is your name?
Carl.
See, Carl. And what is your phone number, please?
614. And my mother, who also lives here, filed a complaint just a minute ago. And the officer that she spoke to was more than abruptly rude.
Okay, well, that would have to go to internal affairs because...
Oh, then send me there too.
All right,
Send me there next.
I'm not going to be able to transfer since you were transferred up here to me. The number is 645. Yeah, I did write up a run.
Yep. If they're not here by midnight, tell them not to knock on my door. Because knocking on my door after midnight is worse than the damn fireworks. And the mayor's office is next. The governor's office is more than that.
You want to call the Mayor's Action Hotline?
Yep.
Please
I've already
do,
did that
because
as well.
we are so backed up because we have so many officers downtown. Maybe if somebody will
Okay.
call, we could get out to everybody's house a little bit faster. All right.
That is my next question. So everybody's downtown, but all the taxpayers in the burbs and or hoods are not getting any service? Why is that?
We're doing the best we can do. Like I said, if you want to ask the mayor to maybe do something about what's going on downtown, that would be a
and
great help to
Congresswoman-
the officers because, trust me, they do.
I
do not like getting bottles thrown at them and bricks and everything else. So if you
yes, ma'am.
want to
I
call the
understand.
Mayor's Action Hotline and ask them to do something about the protesting and rioting, we would be very happy that you did that.
And my response to that is disband the police department. Yep. And I've already
Disband the
joined
police
Baby's
department?
office.
Then who's going to
Yep.
come to your house?
Nobody's coming to my house to begin with. So who's going to come next?
All right.
The police
We'll be out.
The street? Yes,
Okay,
please.
sir. There's
Thank
nothing
you.
more I can do for you. Bye-bye.
Hi. Did you guys call about fireworks?
Many times.
Okay. What can I do for you?
Stop them. Month and a half of this crap.
Okay. What's happening?
They're just shooting off fireworks all night long. They've been shooting off now.
I haven't seen any since I've been out here.
They've been shooting them off.
Okay, who is?
I live here, but I don't. It's over in that corner and over this corner. The last time we called, you guys came out, it was 3 o'clock in the morning. It's not. This has been going every night for a month and a half.
Mm-hmm.
And it's ridiculous. And when they call, well, they're going to be celebrating 4th of July. 4th of July wasn't last month. It's
No,
ridiculous.
that's correct. It wasn't last month. It's like in 2 days.
Well, it's not even here. And it's
Okay.
been going off and going off and going off.
Okay, we were aware of that.
Well, let's do something about it then.
Okay, what would you like me to do?
Make it stop.
How am I going to do that?
Why don't you come around when they're going and you could go right up to the people who's doing it?
Okay, I try to do that. What do you think I've been doing all night?
Well, I haven't seen anybody.
Okay, we've been taking runs?
Well, I'm
Because there's a
sorry.
lot of calls for service?
I know there is.
Okay.
And I know this might sound ridiculous, but it's what, 12:30 at night, and I have to be up at 5:30.
Okay. It's 12:13.
I still have to be up at 5:30.
Okay.
And some nights they don't start them to 2:30 in the morning.
Okay. Is there anything
I don't
else?
know what you do about it.
Oh, you don't
No.
know what to do about it?
I said I don't know what you can do about it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
But I'm sorry I'm not down there protesting. I'm sorry I'm not doing any other things. All I like is to have some peace and quiet and go to bed one night and be able to sleep.
Okay, I would like that too.
Well, I hope you get one.
Well, I don't sleep at night. I'm out here.
Well, I'm out during the day. And I'm
Okay.
just as well.
Okay. So you don't know what house?
They come from that corner, they come from that corner, they come from up that
Okay.
area.
Were they hitting your house?
No,
One of the calls said that they were hitting your house and hitting your car.
they hit my son's car. The ashes go everywhere.
I didn't see anything out
Okay,
on the street.
I'm going to get up at 5:30 in the morning. I know you have more important things to do. I'm not going to sit
Well,
here.
apparently this is very important. That's why you called so many times. So
yeah,
I'm here.
it's very important to a lot of people. We're not the
Okay.
only one that's called many times.
Well, did I ever say this wasn't important?
It's
I volunteered for this run to come talk to you because I saw that it was important to you.
Well, it's important because I've got a dog that freaks out, but that doesn't mean anything to anybody. I also have to get up at 5:30 in the morning and go to work. I've worked every day through the pandemic and the whole kit and caboodle.
So have I.
So have you, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But you're not listening to the fireworks every night all night long.
I am. I'm listening to them while I'm out working all night long.
And that as well.
Okay. Well, right now I can't deal with that because I'm here talking to you about the fireworks.
And the little guys on the... Here you go.
All right. Should I chase after that car, or do you want me to keep talking to you about the fireworks?
I'm going back to bed. You have a good night.
Okay. Take care.
Okay,